My new e-bike is here. Adult assembly is required, so I called my dad. Good idea, right, Serge? This is packed.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as Littlefitdevil, and today I have an amazing review for you all. This time it is an e-bike and it is from Vanpowers. We have done one or two of these in the past, and today I'm reviewing the UrbanCross. This one is in a beautiful cream color. It does come in another color as well. I am ready to give you all the specs, so let's get this party started. One of the best features of this bike is its carbon fiber handlebars. They are lightweight and they're durable. The carbon fiber handlebars not only reduce the overall weight of the bike, making it easy to maneuver, but they also add a level of strength and durability. Carbon fiber is known for its superior strength to weight ratio, offering a stiff and responsive feel, which enhances the overall ride experience. It also gives you comfort. The carbon fiber construction helps absorb some of the shocks from rough terrains, reducing vibrations and making longer rides more comfortable. It also has a torque sensor. It gives you a smooth and responsive ride. The integrated torque sensor provides a more intuitive and natural riding experience by adjusting the motor's power based on how hard you're pedaling. This means the bike's power assist is seamlessly aligned with your effort, giving you a more enjoyable ride. With a torque sensor, the bike can help you conserve energy while still offering maximum performance when needed, which is ideal for both casual riders and those looking to push their limits. This bike also features a built-in battery. It has a sleek design where the battery is seamlessly integrated into the frame of the e-bike, creating a clean and stylish look without compromising functionality. It is also protected from external factors like rain or dirt, offering long-term durability. This built-in design makes charging easier as there is no need to remove the battery. Simply plug it in and charge it while the bike is stored in a safe place. And then, of course, you plug this to any outlet in your house. This amazing bike also offers longer rides as it has a 60 kilometers riding range. With approximately 37 miles of riding range on a single charge, this e-bike allows you to explore further and enjoy longer rides without the constant need for recharging. So whether you are commuting, running errands, or enjoying the outdoors, this extended range ensures you can cover more ground. There are some additional features that are worth mentioning on this amazing bike. The e-bike comes with a user-friendly display that shows key stats like speed, battery level, distance traveled, and power mode, give you full control and insight on your ride. It also offers multiple power modes. Choose between different levels of assistance from eco mode to sport mode to adjust your power assist based on your riding needs. This feature enhances energy efficiency and ensures a smooth experience regardless of the terrain. The UrbanCross Pro is equipped with Tektro hydraulic disc brakes and 160mm rotors, providing powerful and stable instant braking force. This ensures smooth and precise braking, reduces hand fatigue, and offers excellent heat dissipation, enhancing efficiency and durability. This is a cordless and elegant integrated design display. It is integrated with the handlebar for a sleek and elegant bike appearance. It is available for BLE app connection and compatible with internal cable routing. This bike is equipped with the Shimano GRX Q's 400 9-speed gear system. It is suitable for various terrains and offers a smooth shifting experience. High-quality materials ensure durability, and the ergonomic handle design enhances comfort and reduces fatigue. This is a carbon one-piece flat bar, which is compatible with the internal cable routing. It is available in widths of 640mm and 680mm with a 100mm extension to meet different riding needs. It is compatible with the internal cable routing, enhancing aesthetics and reducing wind. As I mentioned earlier, this bike offers internal battery with BMS safety system and 60 miles range. These are some beautiful CST gravel tires. They are suitable for riding on multiple surfaces, providing a smooth and comfortable riding experience. Here is the tail light. It has 7 hours of battery life with rechargeable battery. This is the headlight, and it provides a 3-mode with rechargeable battery. You can switch it from
50 to 40 to 30 looks.
My most favorite feature is this ergonomic sports saddle. This amazing bike features an aluminum alloy frame and it offers a super smooth ride in multiple different surfaces. Back at home because I have to show you a few features of this amazing bike. First of all, I live in a condo, right? And the bike is inside, right? So I need to get downstairs and on the elevator to go ride it. What I want to show you is how lightweight this bike is. Let's say like I want to go downstairs with it. I can literally lift this bike just by myself. Check it out. I don't have a lot of room, but not too bad, right? Very lightweight for being any bike.
Okay guys, another amazing feature of this bike. Right now the bike is set to off, so you don't see anything on the display, right? That means that the bike is actually locked in place, see? I can't move it forward. That is locked. See that? Now, when you turn the bike on, check this out. Did you hear that? That means that the bike actually unlocked. Hear that? Now we can go. And of course, let's say you're ready to park the bike again. So I turn it off. And that's it. Now it's locked in place and nobody can move it.
Some final thoughts on this amazing Vanpowers bike. You guys, I have had it now for 2 weeks and I have been really enjoying it. This bike is perfect if you're commuting to work or if you're going on leisurely rides. It is also great for weekend rides around your neighborhood, parks, beautiful scenery. This bike is perfect. You know why? Because it's also lightweight. So it's very easy to handle, very easy to carry, and it is honestly the perfect bike for all your adventures.
Serge, do you like it? Do you like my bike?
Lastly, let's talk about the design. It really looks and feels amazing. I do love the color combination on this one, and also the seat is incredibly comfortable. I do like to go for long rides, and because of its driving range, it really helps you stay comfortable while you are really exploring. I really hope you check it out. And that concludes today's review. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is the UrbanCross by Vanpowers. Make sure you check out their website for amazing e-bikes. If you're interested, they make for amazing gifts for this holiday season, as well as any gift throughout the year. If you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video. Make sure to turn on post notifications. You can also follow me on social media. You can support me on Patreon, where I provide early access to a lot of my YouTube videos, as well as amazing perks. And I will see you guys soon in another one.